The point is, an investigator cannot be judged at the same time. Do not judge.
We are not judging.
No, ang importante rito is the objectivity sinasabi ko na dayon.
Are you trying to steal the show?
No. I'm raising prejudicial
Or
questions.
you're
I
creating
am
trouble
sinasabi ko,
to prevent the proceeding?
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko na sa iyo, the interest of this committee is the impartiality, the objectivity. Sana huwag kayong magbibigay ng opinion. Why did you choose, for example, Bryce?
That's my opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also express your
I am
opinion.
questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
What's your
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kesa Diskaya. Bakit ganon? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Hindi, Mr. President, we are still in the